Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Zara, wake up for school. Mom, please, just 5 more minutes. Just 5. You said that 10 minutes ago. But this time I really mean it. Zara. Okay. I am getting up. Kind of. I feel the same. But now, go and wash your face. Do I have to? Yes, you can't go to school with pillow marks on your cheeks. But they look like tattoos. Zara! Fine, I'm going. A moment later. What's for breakfast? Eggs and bread. Again? My mouth is getting bored, Mom. Well, your mouth needs protein. Cookies have energy too. Well, cookies have sugar. That's not the energy you need in the morning. Well, can I have cookies for dinner then? We are having fish for dinner. Then after dinner? Maybe if you finish your food and behave. I always behave, like mostly. Nice try. Eat quickly. The bus will be here soon. I'm eating, but can I take bites like a baby bird? As long as the bird is fast, I don't mind. Done. What's next? Brush your teeth. Oh, again? Yes, every day. Toothpaste tastes weird. It tastes like mint. You'll survive. Okay, I'm brushing. Now get your bag and head to the bus stop. I'll watch you from the gate. Okay, Mom. Bye. Bye, Zara. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.